Hello, and welcome to the set of Mid-American Eats. I'm your host, Chef Eric Olson. Today, I want to talk to you about August Hill Winery. You see, August Hill Winery has a passion for creation. That's what we share in common, from the heart to the hand. They got some fun whites, some excellent deep reds, and some fun bubblies if you'd like that. Something for every occasion, I promise you. Whether you're sitting on your back porch or you're sitting on their patio outside, it's good no matter what. So next time you think of think of August Hill Winery. For this recipe and more, please visit www.augusthillwinery.com or visit their beautiful wine room in downtown Utica, Illinois.